Telescopic rod section. Tail rod, with spring-loaded base, arbitrary telescopic rod section, and floor skid face. Top ceiling skid plate. Height adjustable bracket, with 1/4, -20 mm thread, 5/8, -11 screw adapter 5/8. Adjustable stable tripod. Open the 3 latches of the tripod, pull out the extension rod, and relock the latches. Pass the tail rod through the hole in the middle of the bottom of the tripod. Pass one of the telescopic rod section through the hole of the height adjustable bracket. Pull and lock the trigger in the height adjustable bracket. Take one of the telescopic rod section to assemble the top fittings together. Splice the telescopic rod section together with other parts in the specified order, wherein the strut combined with the top accessories is the top, the strut combined with the height adjustable bracket is the middle part, and the part combined with the pedal strut, and the tripod is the bottom. Loosen the locking device of the foot support rod, and pull out the extension rod. Use the foot to push the combined support rod up and down, and then relock the locking device to complete the assembly. Install the level on the height adjustable bracket, according to the bottom screw port of the level and the adapter. Turn on the laser level, and project the laser line on the wall. Adjust the height from the height adjustable bracket to the laser line according to the height of the measured laser line on the wall. The height adjustable bracket is provided with a fine adjustment function, and the scale is silk printed on the support rod, which can be used as a reference for fine adjustment.